How to fix Wizz Air app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Wizz Air app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we'll be doing is clearing out the app's cache. So for iPhone users, what you'll need to do is open up your settings and you'll need to go to iPhone storage for the Wizz app. So to get there, what you'll first need to do is open up your settings, go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, then search for Wizz Air app right here. You can scroll down and find it as well. I'm just searching it from the search bar. After you're here, tap on Offload app, then confirm it, and then reinstall it back again. So what this does is offloading the app will free up the storage used by the app, but keep its document and data. So it'll basically remove the app as the data, and later when you reinstall the app, you'll have all of your data intact. And this will clear out the cache and check if your problem has been fixed. If not, you might want to check for your Wi-Fi connection as well. Sometimes a simple Wi-Fi connection not working can result in the app not responding. So check for your Wi-Fi connection. You can try to use your cellular data as well. So check all of that and come back and open up your app and see if it works. If it still does not work, go to App Store, go to search bar, search for Wizz Air. Then you'll find the app, open that up and tap on the update button. That should be available instead of the open if there is an update available. So tap on update and update the app and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.